Right into the bottom of the market makers expected move today, down about 70 points. Um, that puts us closing below gamma neutral on the monthly for the week. This is definitely the back half of the week weakness that we've been looking for on the technical side for quite some time. Holy Saber, welcome to Pigeon Whale. Thank you so much, man. As far as tomorrow goes, I mean, we're set up well for a continuation to the downside. Remember, things settle out faster now. No more T plus 2, but T plus 1. So we'll be looking towards Monday morning for possible continuation of this to a lower low. We also closed below the major future support at 55.60. However, found a decent amount of support at like 55.40. The next kind of major level to the downside is 55.30. And then, you know, would be looking there again for support on Monday, and that's around like 54.80 SPX. Commodities fell off pretty hard again today. This kind of broadening of the sell-off. Now we're seeing, you know, not just tech selling off, right, but also, you know, Dow, Russell. We're seeing energy sell off, oil's dropping, commodities broadly are falling. This implies that we're probably going to see a continuation of this selling. The dollar and yields have been climbing up, so that's putting a little bit of additional margin pressure on things as well, right? And so unless we get a snapback in the dollar and yields, it's going to be really hard for anybody to get some meaningful leverage to pump this up. Correlation rose today, but they did try several times to reverse that. I would say this kind of does look like it's hitting maybe a local high, and we might get like a bear rally into the middle half of next week. But if next week still closes low, that's going to continue that implication of a continuation. Forward yield on volatility still into the risk-free rate, but quite high at 3.64. This is the highest we've closed a week at for the yield on volatility. The carry trade is being levered up as the dollar rises, but it's not providing sufficient leverage. Core 3M is kind of moving up as bond vol starts to increase a little bit. Tail risk is pulling back. 75% of the S&P under its 20-day moving average. Correlation between VIX and cash VIX kind of rocketing up here. We're now at positive 21% correlation. Fed fund futures pricing in a little bit less for the rate cuts after yesterday's auction and today's Fed speakers at 0.625. So I'll have some more information out for you guys in Pickles Picks on Sunday night, and I will see you all at 12:30 p.m. on Saturday. Thank you all so much. Have a lovely weekend, or Sunday, 12:30 p.m. Sunday for the member stream. Have a lovely weekend. I'll see you guys next week. Later.